After reviewing several resources, I couldn't find a satisfactory number counter component for Framer. Either most of the resources are paid, or the component doesn't have the maximum flexibility to control the animation, like replaying the animation when the component comes in the viewport again. So I decided to make one. After a few attempts, I managed to make a counter component that offers flexibility in creating any possible combination with precise animation control. In this video, I will explain how to use this component. You can find the component link in the video description. Let me walk you through how to make the most of it. First, decide whether to start the animation when the component enters the viewport or not. If the viewport is on, that means the counter will start animating when it comes in the viewport. If it is off, then the animation will start when the page loads. Then you have the replay option. The default value is no, but if you select yes, then the animation will start from the beginning each time your user comes to that section where this component has been used. Choose your preferred font and font weight. Adjust the font size and pick the perfect font color to match your design language. Make it uniquely yours. Then you have your starting and ending values. Set this to define the range of your counter. For those who love precision, we have got separate options. Choose between a comma, decimal, or none to format your numbers just the way you like. To spice up the numbers with some extra flair, we have got prefix and suffix here to give context or style to your counter. You can choose the font weight, colors for each of them and make any combination as per your project's needs. Then we have got gap among the prefix, the counter, and the suffix. Adjust the value as per your need. Next we have got the speed. This controls how fast or slow your counter animates. Tweak it until it feels just right for your design. The maximum value you can put here is 2000 milliseconds. And if you want that animation to loop, just toggle the loop animation switch. Simple, right? Now you can make any combination you want with the help of this component. Click this button in order to get the remix file. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.